Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the coolest Gmail tricks most of people don't know. You can actually create unlimited versions of your Gmail address and they will all go to the same inbox. All you need is the dot and plus sign trick. Here's how it works. Trick 1, just use dot tricks. Let's say your email is johnsky@gmail.com and these are all the same email like johnsky@gmail.com, or it will work because Gmail ignores the dot, so every version goes to your original inbox. And another trick, you can also add plus signs with type anything after your name like this, or like this, and all of this they'll go to your inbox, but now you know where its email came from. And you can even combine both tricks, like try something like John Sky plus work gmail.com, like this. It also still reads you but looks totally different. This trick is super useful to set up filters to organize your Gmail automatically. And here's how. Just click on the filter icon in the search bar. Then just type custom address on two sections like this. For example, John like this, and then just create a filter and then just choose what you want to happen, like for just apply a label like for works, or you can create a new label, and you can also just make it as archive or mark as read star, and even you can just make it auto delete. And after that, just click create a filter and your inbox will stay clean and fully organized. You can also use this trick for sign up for multiple accounts, like if you need more than one account on the same apps, just use like this, like Sean Sky listening at gmail.com for your first account, and John Sky alt at gmail for your alternate account. Most websites will treat them as different email addresses, but everything still lands in your one Gmail inbox. It's no need to create multiple accounts. So if you want to stay organized or filter smarter or sign up anywhere with just one Gmail, just start using these tricks today. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!